Okay, so right now I am in downtown Boston in Massachusetts, and I'm actually walking down to see the Boston Tea Party replica boats. So I'm not sure where this is. I guess it's like Milk Street, but it's November. It's actually, no, it's December. So it's all very Christmassy and it's really damn freezing, but it's a very beautiful city. Lots of high rises, and I did the Freedom Trail today, which is a walk that takes you through the city and it gives you some points of history. It was very interesting. But yeah, so I'm just on my way down to the Boston Tea Party replica ships, and I'll do a video once I get down there. So yeah, this is Boston. Very cold, but very pretty.